We have inflation for the month of October. That's come in at about 7.4%. That's at least half a percentage off compared to what we were expecting. Do remember, the ET Now poll was throwing up a number of closer to 7.9% possibly. And then the consensus estimates also, there was a big sort of range that we were working with. So 7.4 to 8.2% was the sort of number that the economists were working with, and it's come in at about 7.4%. That's definitely going to be a cause of relief, at least for both the Reserve Bank of India, and that will be taken in well by corporate India as well. In terms of what we're expecting as far as the internals are concerned, primary articles inflation is expected to come in at about 8.8%. We are also expecting that fuel as well as power inflation, that might just be seeing a bit of an uptick. It's expected to come in at about 12.8% versus 11.8%. For the month of September. Manufactured product inflation number, now that's also expected to come in at around that 6.4% mark. Not just that, the big worrying factor, do remember, has been, of course, food inflation that has continued to remain persistently high. And we've had, all experts talking about how a big part of food inflation has been due to rise in proteins. So rise in, the likes of chicken and egg as well as pulses. That's also been driving food price inflation at least quite significantly. Not just that, the fuel price inflation, that's reflecting the fact that we've had fuel price hikes also come in. Okay, so we've got manufactured products number also come in at about 5.9%, with expectations of 6.4%.